Hi everyone, how are you? I'm Vikas again from Vikas Driving School. Today I'm going to show you how to do head check and when you need to do head check. Lots of students, they're getting very confused about head check. They don't know where to do it head check. They're doing everywhere head check. So the Vic Road officer, they're getting very confused and they think he don't know about the head check. He or she, they're getting very confused about the head check. So doing a head check, I'm going to tell you the 3 places of the doing a head check. So let's start now. The first place you need to do it whenever your car go to stationary position, parking position, like now. My car is on parking position. So if I want to move straight, so I just need to check my 2 mirrors, center mirror, right indicator and right shoulder check. When I feel safe, then I can go. And this is very important, especially when you're doing 3-point turn and when you're doing like when some car is coming just front of you, you just need to pull over a little bit left hand side. So if you want to go again, you need to check mirrors, indicator, shoulder check. So lots of student, when I go with the student with the test, they're getting very confused. They don't know where to do head check. They're doing everywhere head check. So you don't need to do head check everywhere. If you simply turning left, right. If you simply turning left, right, I'm going to show you where you don't need to do head check. Suppose I'm going to turn right, not here. I'm going to turn right somewhere, and after I will take you a couple of places where you need to do head check. I'm going to take you a couple of places where you don't need to do head check. So my message is going to be clear for you where you need to do it. So suppose here we're going to turn right. Some student what they're doing, they want to turn, they're doing shoulder. No, because look, there is a single line road. The one line is for coming, one line is for going. So no one can overtake by law. You need to do it shoulder check where someone can overtake you. So here you don't need to do shoulder check. You just need to check mirrors, indicator and just turn right. So simple turn right and left, you don't need to do shoulder check. So I'm going to take you again to turn. I'm going to turn again right and going to show you on the plain road. Like I'm going to turn right here. Checking my mirror, giving my right indicator. Here as well, look, one side is for coming, one side is for going. So you don't need to do shoulder check. So now I'm going to take you on the bike line. So the second head check you need to do it on bike line. So I'm going to turn simply right. Here as well, you don't need to do head check because it's a plain road. One side is for coming, one side is for going. So you don't need to do shoulder check. I'm going to show you the second head check. Second head check you need to do where there is a bicycle. Look, here is a bicycle line. I'm going to turn left, I need to check my mirrors. You need to give my left indicator, and before turning, just before moving, I need to do it my shoulder check, and then I need to move. So this is second head check, guys. So first head check where you need to do it whenever your car go to stationary position. Suppose there is a truck. So here is no car is coming, but I want to give you an example. Suppose there is a car standing right hand side as well, and there is no space for going, and the car is coming just front side of you. So what you need to do, you just need to pull over a little bit left hand side. When you pull over, when you give way to upcoming traffic, and when you going straight again, you need to give your mirrors, indicator, again you need to do shoulder check. So when you give way to any car, you need to do again shoulder check. So here I'm going to do 3-point turn, and after that I'm going to take you back to for line changing. Like I did a 3-point turn here, 3-point turn as well. I just pull over a little bit left hand side, and after that I check my mirrors and the right shoulder check. So because my car went to stationary position, whenever your car went to stationary position, you need to do it shoulder check. And the third head check, you need to do it when you're changing a line. When you're going from any line. Suppose when you're going to right line, you need to check your mirrors, you need to give your indicator, and you need to complete your shoulder check. Don't start to move before doing shoulder check. First you need to do shoulder check, and then you need to start to move. So I'm going to show you the real example of while line changing, how you need to do shoulder check. So ahead there is a traffic light ahead, checking my mirror, giving my left indicator, just waiting for the light to change. So as guys, in this time I can remind you again. So 3 places of doing head check. First head check, you need to do it whenever your car go to stationary position. For example, when you're doing 3-point turn, because your car is going little bit left, and especially when you pulling over left hand side, like in any street. So after that, if you want to go straight, you need to give checking again mirror, indicator, shoulder check. And the third head check, the second head check you need to do it whenever you crossing the bike line. So here I'm going to do it line changing. In the third head check, you need to do it when you line changing. Make sure check your 2 mirrors, give your right indicator, complete your shoulder check. After complete your shoulder check, then start to move to another line. So these 3 places you need to do it your shoulder check. If you still don't know where you need to do head check, lots of students they asking me, is it they need to do shoulder check on the traffic light when they turning left and right, when they're doing reverse parallel parking. So look guys, you don't need to do head check over there. You don't need to do head check on the traffic light. So head check, we just need to do it where there is a very little chance to overtaking. So traffic light, no one can, we are in our line, they are in their line, so no one can overtake us. So don't need to do shoulder check over there. So these 3 places, if you're going to remember, you will never have any problem to doing shoulder check. So thank you so much for watching. If you still have any question, please leave a message or leave a comment.